today I'm going to show you this really, really awesome arm. It can grab stuff the size of like a marble to like a little like rock. I'm going to make this grab a block, and this turns like around like from here to here. And I just built it this morning, and this controls this. Watch. I just want to leave this open so when it comes down and grabs this, it will always be like that. So like if it's like this, when we grab it'll just move the block and like it won't like go in like that space. So that's why I want to leave it open, so it will grab that and not slip out and push it. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how this turns. And now I'm going to grab the block. This one controls forward and backward, so I just want it to go a little bit backward so I can grab the block. Now I have a perfect lineup, so I'm going to grab the block. Now that was really cool because this didn't like hold it like that with all four, just holding it with two, and I was very surprised that this was like doing like this when it was like grabbing it and picking it up. I thought we were gonna go like this. With all four, so it would go up, like all of them would just like hold it. Yeah, and I want to see why this is like not like attaching, like this part isn't like grabbing on. So that's why it was just hanging down and like not like being like grabbed fully. So I'll show you how this top part works. So this wheel, when you spin it, it connects to that gear and spins this gear, which spins this little thing that goes like around and around, and it spins the gears, which make these go like this. And this took over 2 hours to build. And this was the toy of the year. show you. On box, toy of the winner, toy of the year, robotic arm. These are other sets you can do. A helicopter, a scorpion, and I think you can do like 2 more like things with like to build with like the robotic arm out of it. So this robotic arm, this one controls how this moves. So if you put it backwards, it takes this part up, but this part is still like facing down. And this one, it controls this. So there's a gear and then it like 2 pieces and then connects to another gear and then big gear and 2 little things and a metal rod and then this, and then it connects to this, and what I said before, this goes down and controls this part. So I'll show you. I'm using this part, and that is like, it's pulling that, it will pull it this way or that way. With this one, if you do this, it will just go like backwards. This will go backwards and that will go up. And as you do it, it'll get harder and harder to do it. And then watch this. It spins really fast because too much pressure is coming to this side, so it's getting so heavy that just pushes that handle that forward, because if this could do that, this would be a lot lighter. And this, when you pick it up, it weighs like 5 pounds. And the box, I thought this was actually gonna be like half the size of like this whole thing. And this was 380 pieces plus. And this is really cool because like when you look through there, the white things that are like almost like Lego pieces, they look like they're yellow. Like if you like see there, these things are white, and here you think these are yellow ones, but they're actually still white. It's just these windows are making them look like they're yellow. And these are the same thing as this, but these are just like fatter and they have more yellow to them. So this part is kind of like an orange-ish color, and these are very yellow. They're like light yellow. So this is dark yellow and this is light yellow. So this wheel is really, really, really cool because it has like the rubber like added to it. And it's really, really, really awesome. And it's, if you feel this, this is like really, really smooth. And this rod, this looks like it's only down to here, but it's actually all the way down there. And it's like the rod is like 1 pound because the rod is so long and it's made of metal, so it's so long and it's made of metal. And the metal is, with all that metal together, it weighs 1 pound because this, you can make like this, a marble out of all this. A marble, or like a big fat marble, or like 2 little marbles. And these were the gears I was talking about. So this gear is what controls this. And this gear right there controls this. So when I do this, it makes kind of like a sound that is like kind of like 2 rocks bashing together, but just quieter. And now I just had to snap that back together. I literally just realized that. And I think this is really, really awesome because it's really cool because it can grab stuff off the ground and it can pick up stuff like this block. I'm gonna do it again, so I'm just gonna do it like a little bit farther away, like this. It used to be that far away because watch this, it would just like go down. So it literally just like almost stays in the same spot, but mostly stays in the same spot, but a little bit like moves. So I can even grab that with it on its side, and it might fall off if you do it too fast like that, and if you crank it down like that super fast, it might just fall like that. But I was very lucky that that didn't like fall like down when I was like cranking it this way or that way. And do you know how this whole thing works? So there's this little circle thing in it that causes this to spin. And this part, these two are mostly the same. And this one just has like 3 little things that have squares on them. And this is really, really cool.